This beautifully rich colored root vegetable is full of goodness. This healthy, wholesome vegan raw beetroot dip is very easy and quick to make with no time. This healthy dip is ultimately delicious and you can pair with crackers, dosa, cheela, and also use as spreads on sandwiches. Beetroot has endless health benefits, low in calories and loaded with fiber, vitamin C, and minerals. Beetroot is a bliss for all health conscious people out there. Beetroot dip or spread is an amazing way to consume beetroot. Try this healthy dip or spread recipe, which would be loved by everyone, and serve it with your favorite food. Starting with the recipe, in a mixer grinder, add 20 gram beetroot, 50 gram pomegranate, 2 gram ginger, and 1 chili or as per your taste, black salt 1.5 gram, and in the end add 1 2 teaspoon of lime juice as per your taste. If you like spicy, then add full green chili. As I like medium spice, so I'm not adding full chili. See, pomegranate with beetroot is a great way to improve stamina and prevent diseases and boost your skin. Beetroot is a superfood enriched with vitamin C and provides the skin with all the required nutrients, while pomegranate repairs skin damage by neutralizing all the free radicals. Ginger contains antioxidants. It has many benefits for the skin and is a regenerator that helps reduce skin signs of aging, flushes out toxins, even out skin tones, and promote hair growth and leads to more blood circulation. Green chili benefits rich in minerals and vitamins. It is packed with vitamin B9, B6, and iron and sodium. If you are new to my channel, then do like, share, and subscribe, and do let me know in comment section how this recipe comes out.